If you own a small to medium-sized business, you know that doing paperwork and back-office duties can be time-consuming. We have the solutions. Employee Payment Solutions.
We're an accounting firm, and we try to help businesses focus on what they do, their core competencies. We handle the back office administration and let them focus on making money, serving their customers, doing whatever it is that makes them thrive. Focus on what you do best, let us handle the rest. It's kind of the approach that we have. We serve many industries. It's all small to medium-sized businesses.
They offer a variety of financial services to their clients so they can focus on the bottom line.
We start with bookkeeping. We do a lot of bookkeeping for our clients because that's the most common need. You have to reconcile bank statements. You have to, input your credit card information. You have to know what you're doing as a business. So we do a lot of bookkeeping. We do payroll, which also ties back into the bookkeeping. We have a great payroll service, and everything feeds right into the books. So you don't have to do payroll journal entries to get your information in there. It's all cohesive. And then from there, we're able to do a tax return with all the numbers in exactly the right places, so there's no problems going between vendors. We're all the same vendor, so we're able to do these smoothly and efficiently for our clients. We've got an amazing platform. It just kind of happened for us, but we use QuickBooks Desktop, and it's the best version of QuickBooks out there. For an accountant, the QuickBooks Desktop is an amazing program. We're able to integrate all the services that we do onto QuickBooks Desktop, and we have a server computer, and that server computer is always on 24/7 unless we're doing maintenance, and it's available for our clients to log in interactively, so there's never sending a file back and forth. We're always using live data. It's a wonderful system.
I was brought on to Employee Payment Solutions from a friend of Rocco's, and he introduced me to him, and I met with him. He talked to me about the business and what he did. We just hit it off, and everything else is history. We're a pizza restaurant, and we have dine-in, delivery, and takeout, and we've been around. Johnny's Pizza has been around since 1977, and our pizza place has been around since 2016. The services that they provide for me are payroll, bookkeeping, and they do taxes. Working with Rocco has improved my business for letting me focus on the things that I need to do with the operations of the business while he's handling all the taxes and the accounting and the payrolls for my employees.
The best part is that you don't need separate vendors to get it all done, and done right. Their services are especially valuable for those leaving the corporate world and starting their own businesses. And the best part is you don't have to shop around.
Typically, a business has to have separate vendors for things, or they just end up with separate vendors. You get a bookkeeper. Then, from there, I got to get somebody to do my taxes. And then, we need a payroll company. But we're able to put all these things onto one software package and do all those things. And you never have to go from vendor to vendor because it's all right there. And each department knows how it needs to look for the other department. So it's extremely streamlined and efficient for our clientele. Businesses are all different, okay? Everybody does a different thing. There's veterinarians, there's lawyers, there's fast food restaurants. They all do different things, different products, different services. But what we do is we handle the commonalities between all businesses. Everybody's got employees. Everybody has to do a tax return. So we're able to keep all that in one place and cut down the vendors, and do it all just right. Well, each business has a different set of chart of accounts, different products and services, things that they do. What we do is we're able to let them do what they want to do, and then we customize our service around what they don't want to do. What's their biggest problem with, getting bogged down? And so we try to streamline something. It's very helpful for us to have the client do part of their work sometime. If they're a construction business, we can't possibly know what they're buying at Home Depot, what client that's for. So a lot of our clients will input some parts of their information, and then we'll take over from there. And we interview each business to help figure out what they need, and then we perform those services for them. Having one vendor is an efficient thing for a business when you don't have to have separate bookkeeping department communicating with payroll and payroll communicating back, and then bookkeeping having to present stuff to a tax preparation firm. And then once the taxes are done, they have to go back to bookkeeping and put these entries in. We do that whole part for them. And so there's never any kind of second guessing or putting data in the wrong place. We've got it from start to finish. With tax preparation, there are certain things through experience and doing tax returns for 15 years now that we know is going to be a problem if we see it, and we're able to organize the financials and talk to them about ratios and things that are out of the norm and help them do things differently to keep their problems minimized. There's always a random element to the IRS, but we're able to keep all the common problems at bay because we know the ratios, we know what they're looking for. It's what we do. So we're able to help them avoid that with their books and tax prep.
With all of this support, you can concentrate on your bottom line.
Employee Payment Solutions is a great way to have all your accounting and all your payroll and taxes done for you. And Rocco and the team is really good with getting everything done where you don't even have to worry about anything that goes behind the scenes. It's all taken care of.
Doing things the right way is the only way that you can do in the accounting business. It's not really subjective. There's no rounding. Everything is to the penny. So there's a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction from knowing that everything's falling into the right place and there's no disconnect between our departments. Everything's on one goal. And so we do have a lot of satisfaction from what we do because we're able to be organized and accurate and complete.
For more information about Employee Payment Solutions, visit their website, employeepayments.com. And of course, visit our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com.